Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's PaperJar Studio and I am Mahta, an international student in Germany. In this video, I am going to catch stuff for the first 2 weeks of the January, sorry. The new year and new budgeting and these things. I always used to budget for the month completely, but recently I noticed that I don't need more money to finish the month, so I can't have more money. It's my block account money, so I decided to make it a bit smaller, and I do it every 2 weeks. In general, 2 times per month, and maybe it can help me. So it's my plan for now. Today I am going to cash stuff for 159 euro, and I have my note here that shows me how much should I put in each envelope and these things. Let's start with my wallet. I love this one, but I think I should put it a bit aside, unless I might burn everything. So for now, a bit further. Okay, this is my wallet. Groceries first, and the dashboards are from my shop in Etsy. They are personalized, and you can choose which color do you want from which collection and what you want to write on it. Let's go and put 60 here. Oh, last month I didn't have enough money for groceries. It was terrible. I don't know what happened actually, but I've never needed that much money. Oh, first I have to do the coffee. No, turning out is okay. I never had this problem before. I don't know, the inflation in Germany is getting crazy. I've never expected. But that's it. We should do our best to adjust the situation. Okay, and the last one is miscellaneous. It always has 20. It's for when I will be in really need and I can't do anything else, so I never touch it. For this one, cafe, dining out, and groceries for my wallet. And then we will go to the shopping wallet. I use it when I know that I am going to go to shopping. Actually, I found a way that helped me to use less money, spend less money. Oh, wait, it is stocked. That is that I chose only 1 day per week that I will go to shopping that day. Whatever I want, I put in the list, and for me, for now, it's Thursdays. Every Thursday, I'll go to shopping for anything that I would need, and it will go to next week. The only expectation is groceries and all. I mean the wallet, because it's something that you can't predict, that your friend wants to go to cafe on Monday and you can't say, okay, I will come with you in Thursday. It's a bit, no. So not valid, but the rest of the things. For hygiene products, I put 5. Oh, it has a 10. So great. Okay, I still need to figure out how to put my camera and these things. For cleaning supplies, I want stuff this week, and it has 10. Perfect. No, I stuffed this week. I stuffed €6. I'm so lucky. Because I think I need to buy some stuff for like paste to clean some white surfaces which are not white anymore. I want to stuff for skincare and cosmetics. I recently bought a serum. I love it actually. And a balm for Vega. Yeah, I stuffed €2. It has €2 from before too. It will be good because we need to buy, I don't know, some stuff like plastic bag for trash. Yeah. Hobbies and crafts will get 5. I need a lot of 5. Actually, if you live in Germany and do cash stuffing with a low income, I would be happy if you tell me from where do you bring that much small money. Especially, oh, perfect. Especially when you need to get coins or 5s, because I know how to get 10, 20 and the rest from the ATM, but I have no idea how to do it with 5 or 2 or 1. It's not that much appealing. I didn't stop for clothes and shoes. So weird. Okay. Where is it actually? Oh, here, 15. I have to put 15 here. I love it. My most favorite envelope is clothes and shoes. I even increased the budget a bit for it. I hope it works well. So this is for shopping. Right now, which one is it? I am always confused between this because I recently changed these ones and it's so confusing. Language learning. Oh, I think I made a mistake, but it's okay. Language learning will get 10 this week. I mean, these 2 weeks. Education will get 5 because probably I would need it. I will have a presentation, a really important one, and I need some stuff for it. I don't know what kind of it, but I would need it. Kinderlingo won't get stuff this time, but PaperJar definitely will get. 5 is okay. Online courses. I did the online courses stuffing by my card in a digital way. In home office, we'll get only 1, unfortunately. What is the white one? I mean, the white. This one? Oh. Okay, medication will get 20. It's so important. I will go to doctor because maybe you know that I have a chronic illness and I need. Moni won't get stuff this time because it has still 2 and I bought her a half automatic food feeder and the water bottle. So she also has a lot of food. She won't need it. Kids won't get anything. Relationship and memberships. No. So this is the long-term sinking funds, and they won't get that much thing. This one is my long-term savings, and oh, Oh, so good. I will do stuff it with some challenges and games probably next week, because I earned a bit money during the Christmas time with a side hustle, and yeah, I will do that. I am so excited for it. I want to show you something. During the week that I spent, I met some games and challenges for PaperJar Studio, which is active in Etsy, and I will put the link in the comments and also description. These are my only samples, so they are not laminated because I wanted to take photo of them, and if I laminate them, it has a reflection. I couldn't take a good photo of them. This one is a game. I love it. These two are the Save 1000. It doesn't have dollar, euro, or pound or anything, so you can use it for any currency. And look at the small piggy banks. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I love them. It's so minimal. Yeah. The second one is Save 500. It's a really light purple with a bit of blue because it's lavender. I made this temp floral to see if you like the minimal one, the floral one, and it has the icons. Please get it. Please get it. No, it doesn't want to get it. The icons of the purse with each icon only 10. And this one, I made it actually today. I am so excited for it. It's it has three versions: Save 100, Save 70, and Save 50. And these are scratch off stickers. I'm crazy about them. Look at the sky that I made here, and also imagine that you scratch off each of them and save a bit of money, and when it finish you have a great saving and you had also a lot of fun. So these three were the new products that I uploaded on Etsy. I think right now I have 10 physical ones, because before that PaperJar was a digital brand, and I still have some of the stuff there, but I am going to the physical direction and I need time to make all of the products. I would be so happy if you give me your opinion in comments or in Etsy that what would you need, what will you think is better, which design would you like more, or in general give me ideas. I will be so grateful. Love you so much. Goodbye.